Well, hey everybody, John back out here at the farm, Lake Erie Chestnuts. If you're new to the channel, we have a 10-acre chestnut orchard with just about 30 different varieties of known mother trees, but they're all pretty much seedling trees. We have 3 grafted varieties, but we have 30 known parent trees, a good mix of Chinese, American, Japanese, and European genetics. And we're trying to do this as naturally as possible. We're here in northwest Pennsylvania, near the town of Corey, Pennsylvania. And we're here in the orchard, and it is getting to be mid-September, which is a great time of year. And we got some awesome burrs that are really starting to fatten up here, and we're really excited. But with that time of year comes a lot of work. We've got to get the orchard beat down, and as I've talked before, I want to work with nature as best possible. I want to be able to allow turkeys to have their nest and their poults. I want to allow Bambi to lay in this field that's formerly a hay field and let them have their babies without mowing over the top of them with their natural instinct to just lay still. So we're working with that, but what happens is that the grass gets a little out of control. And we've worked before, we cut, and I purchased a larger tractor, a John Deere 5065E, which stands about, all told, probably 8.5, 9 foot tall with the rollover protection. And the problem is I've got these branches. The goal is to have them coming out at 6 foot. This one has a branch coming out just right at 6 foot, but then it leans down. And when I try to get close to the bottom of the tree, as these burrs are getting ready to open up and release their nuts, when I pass with that bigger tractor, I'm hitting branches. So recently, we talked on the video and everybody said, get a zero turn. What a lot of them did say, when they all, it was universal, get a zero turn, you can get closer to the tree, you can maintain this much quicker, less time, you don't have to run the great big tractor with the brush hog. They said, get a zero turn. But the recommendations, it was wild. I don't know if there was one double of a variety. It was get a John Deere, get a Skag, get a Bad Boy, get a just a Ferris, get a X-Mark. But maybe I saw 2 X-Mark recommendations. But zero turn was the overall recommendation. I'm excited to show something to you today. I went with the John Deere, y'all. I'm partial to green and yellow, and I have 3 brothers with John Deere zero turns, one with this exact model. I thought about buying used, but I really like the aspect of having a warranty and turning the key and it works, and knowing exactly how the maintenance has been done. And I purchased the 930M. What do y'all think about that? I haven't even taken it off the trailer yet. It's a 930M, Z930M, John Deere Z-Track zero turn mower with the 7-iron Pro 60. We talked about a 72-inch deck, but with the size of my trailer and transporting this, which I'm going to have to do, I just didn't want to do that. It has the Tweels, which is unique to me. People talk about the ride system. Some people love them. I don't know much about them. This has a John Deere branded Kawasaki 25 horse gas engine. Diesel was about 5,000 more. And I know a little bit about gas engines. I don't know anything about diesel, really, as far as mechanics. So I love it. It's got Comfort Glide seat system. My brother that runs this exact model, his is a 2016, 17, 18 model. He loves his regular maintenance. So I'm going to fire this thing up and I'm going to get to work. This is going to be exclusively used in the orchard for orchard maintenance. we will get this floor beat down. It's hard to see on the video, but this grass is about 6 or 8 inches tall. And while that doesn't seem like much, once the nuts fall, they can really nestle down into this and become difficult to get out. And this time of year, I'm going to want to really shorten the grass. So the beauty of it is I should be able to really wrap around the tree really close, beat down the grass, and make it so when these guys start opening up and the nuts fall into the ground, should be a breeze. Let's jump on, see how she sounds. You know me. Got my McDonald's Coke Zero. What's Josh from Stony Ridge Farm say? Contact. Turn the choke on, turn the key. Sounds good. Not completely smooth, I'm just learning what I'm doing here. Let's get to mowing. Well, I caught this earlier. Well, it's a wrap. It's 1:53, so almost exactly 2 hours. We did not get the entire orchard mowed, but a lot of circles were done very slowly because of the lack of doing it earlier in the season. But I'm very happy with the John Deere Z930M. Let me show you what it looks like. I think it did a great job for the type of scenario the orchard found itself in, which is that it basically had not been maintained. Now you can see a difference here. This part is not mowed, but I think it mowed at a very good rate of speed, way faster than my other mower, and it's just a spectacular day in the orchard. We're starting to get some color on them. Within a week or two, these will drop. These drop a little earlier. Oh, really soon. See that? Opening up. Won't be long. I'm going to work on getting this guy all strapped down. Headed for home. Varsity football on a Thursday night. It's kind of weird, but that's what we got tonight. So hope everything's going great for you all. Remember, if you're not out there growing, y'all, you're dying. Happy to add a new Johnny to the mix. Have a great day, y'all. There's your first down.